Hello everybody, my name is Riley. I'm a sales advisor here at Lethbridge Kia. Got something pretty cool to show you today. Gonna do a little how-to video. So something that for all you Sorento owners might not know is that your Sorento liftgate can actually automatically open. Let's say you're coming out of the grocery store, you've got a handful of groceries, or maybe you just bought a flat screen, you really can't touch that button. You can just walk next to the vehicle, it'll open right up for you, and then you can close it once you put all your stuff in the storage. So when you purchase one of these beautiful Sorentos, you want to make sure you request your sales guy to turn this on for you in your settings. If you've already purchased a vehicle and they unfortunately didn't show you how, I'm going to show you how to do it right here in the settings. Okay, so starting here from the home screen, all you're going to do, you're going to swipe from right to left. We're going to go to the next page here, and then bottom right corner, we're going to click on Setup. And then your first option here, your vehicle settings. Then we're going to go all the way to the bottom, and you're going to see an option that says Door. So when we click on that, you scroll to the bottom, you can see something that says Smart Liftgate. You can see I already activated on this. If it hasn't been set up yet, it's going to be deactivated. You're just going to want to click that, and then you're going to want to go back to home, and now it's activated. Now we're going to do a little bit of a demonstration here now that it's all set up. Basically, in this situation here, you're walking out of the store, your hands are full, you're just going to walk up to the vehicle, which of course is going to be locked and your keys are in your pocket. Stand next to the vehicle for just a couple seconds until you hear it start to beep, and then your liftgate's going to open right up for you. There you go, guys. Now you've just learned a new feature that you maybe didn't know about in your beautiful Sorento. If you're not an owner of one of these yet, but you've been considering it, just give us a call. My name is Riley, or you can work with one of our other professional salespeople. We're always happy to help answer questions, get you a great deal, and give you a great experience. And we're happy to take you for a test drive and show you what one of these has to offer.